Hey, there's Darren LaCroix checking out 99 Designs, how to create a poll. Let's dive right in. Log into your account, go to the current cover. I'm doing cover designs for book covers. So what I can do is, these are the ones I've narrowed it down to out of, if you notice, 400 designs. But I have polls going already, but if I want to create a new poll, just click on that. You look at the covers you want in the poll. If you want to compare this one to that one to this one, you just select the ones that you want in there, and notice how they're popping up on top, including their number. And these, let's just say these are the ones I want. Simply hit save and continue. I love how simple they make this. Name this, because I've been doing like take 2, take 3, and then the final poll as I kind of narrow it down to the designs I want. So 17 minutes. Final. Help me out here. You can put a poll description in there if you want. I don't worry about that. And then boom, I love this. It gives you the link. You can actually, if you're logged in, send it right to your Twitter account, right to your Facebook account. And I copy paste this and send it to my team, who gets it out on the different social media platforms, sends it out in an email. And then what's really cool is we can go back here, and I'll show you one of the other polls so you can kind of get an idea of what they look like. So these are some of the designs I had, and what's cool is people can put in their comments, and it helps you by seeing what they see, because they will see it differently than you. You're so close, but they see, oh, this or that, and the comments can be helpful. Now be careful, don't take what they say verbatim, but if you're starting to see some commonalities, that there's confusion or something like that, definitely take heed. So you can see that 99 Designs actually puts it in the order of the rating, and these are some of the ones that I came up with. I've already nixed that. But it's kind of cool. I like how simple and easy they've made it. So for you and me, it's easy to create a poll in 99 Designs, get it out to as many people as you can. It's even better if you can get it to people who are in your target market. So if you give presentations and tell stories, go check out stagetimeuniversity.com. That's what I do, and I'm excited about my new book. I hope you're excited about your new design. Have fun.
Check out stagetimeuniversity.com, where good presenters become unforgettable.